Section B, question number 17. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 2x minus 8. So, we will find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial by the method of factorization. So, in rough, we have to do something. First, we have to take the number before x square. Before x square, the coefficient of x square, there is nothing, means there is 1. So here I will write 1 multiply by the last term, that is the constant term. Here it is minus 8. Minus 8. So what is 1 into minus 8? We get minus 8. Here the product of these two numbers we got negative. That means we have to think about two numbers out of which one will be positive, another will be negative, such that the product of that two numbers should be minus 8. मल्टीप्लाई करके -8 आना चाहिए एंड उसे जो भी यहाँ पर नंबर्स आएंगे उनको सॉल्व करके प्लस माइनस करके मिडिल टर्म यानी कि +2 आना चाहिए. सो आई विल थिंक अबाउट कि 8 किसके किसके टेबल में आता है. सो 8 2 के टेबल में आता है एंड 2 व्हाट्स 8 2 4 द 8 2 4 द 8 और 4 - 2 करूँ तो +2 आता है. ओके यहाँ पे मिडिल टर्म जो मेरा प्लस है तो 2 4 द 8 में जो जो बड़ा नंबर है, बड़ा नंबर 4 है, उसे प्लस देंगे और छोटे नंबर को माइनस देंगे. सो हियर वी कैन सी दैट 4 2s are 8 plus minus minus and 4 - 2 we get +2. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the two numbers. This method is called as method of factorization. So now as we have to find out the zeros, I will first take p of x is equals to 0. Then I will write down this polynomial x square plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. And then here I will split the middle term. So ये जो first term है x square उसे कुछ change नहीं करना है, that will be as it is. But ये plus 2x की जगह पर we will write plus 4x minus 2x. So ये plus 2x की जगह पर आ गया plus 4x minus 2x. And after that the last term here is minus 8 is equals to 0. So here we splitted the middle term. Okay. Now we have total here 4 terms. So first these two terms we have to remove common. What is common in these two terms? So दोनों के पास x है. We can see that यहाँ पर भी x है, यहाँ पर भी x है. So we will remove x common. So when it was x square means यहाँ पे 2x थे, एक x को हमने बाहर निकाला तो 1x is left, प्लस यहाँ से x बाहर निकल चुका है कॉमन. So what is left? Only 4 is left. Then we have to see what sign is here. Here is minus sign. तो हम यहाँ पे माइनस दोनों में से कॉमन निकाल लेंगे. और ये 2 और 8 जो नंबर्स है दो, वो दोनों किसके टेबल में आते हैं? दोनों 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. सो मतलब दोनों में से हमें 2 कॉमन निकालना है. सो वी रिमूव 2 कॉमन. सो व्हेन आई रिमूव 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? ओनली x इज लेफ्ट. ओके, क्योंकि मैंने 2 को कॉमन निकाल लिया एंड 8 में से भी मैंने 2 कॉमन निकाल लिया. सो 2 व्हाट साइड? 2 4 साइड. एंड एज द माइनस वी हैव रिमूव्ड कॉमन हियर, सो ये माइनस साइन चेंज होगी, प्लस हो जाएगा एंड हियर वी गॉट 4 2 4 साइड इज इक्वल्स टू 0. When we do this step, you have to keep this thing in mind that यहाँ पर जो ब्रैकेट में आया है x plus 4, the same thing should come here. If it is not, then check you have made mistake in removing the common. Now, next is what? ये जो x plus 4 है, we will write in one single bracket and remaining जो outside the bracket is there. यहाँ पर x, यहाँ पर -2, we will write in another bracket. x minus 2. And then is equals to 0. Then we will take this x plus 4 equals to 0 separately. We will write or in between and then second bracket x minus 2 is equals to 0 separately. Solving this single, x plus 4 equal to 0. So plus 4 coming on this side, it will become x is equals to minus 4. Or similarly here, minus 2 coming this side, we get x is equals to plus 2. So what is this? These are the two zeros of the polynomial. So we will write minus 4 and 2 are the zeros. Okay, now the next question number 17, which is an option, is removed as per the new textbook. So we are not going to solve that question. We will go for question number 8, not 8. 18, my mistake. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of its zeros given respectively 1 by 4 minus 1. First we are given sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, that means alpha plus beta. Sum means plus, and that is given 1 by 4. And the product of zeros means alpha beta, and that is given minus 1. We have to find out the quadratic polynomial. So remember that when you have this type of question, you have to use this formula. P of x is equals to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, this is the general formula to find out a quadratic polynomial. X square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros, plus alpha beta, that is product of zeros. Now here we have P of x is equals to x square will be as it is minus alpha plus beta. We will put the value of alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Then there is x. Okay, what I did, just I put the value of alpha plus beta as 1 by 4. Then plus alpha beta, the value of alpha beta is minus 1. Then we will solve it further. So we will get P of x is equals to, this 4 is the only denominator here. We will take the LCM. We will multiply this 4 with those terms which is not having 4 in the denominator. Means दोनों के साथ 4 को multiply करेंगे. So 4x square is 4x square minus 1x plus minus 4 ones are 4 whole upon 4. And then to remove this 4, we will equate this equals to 0, and this 4 will multiply with this 0, and therefore the final polynomial we will get is 4x square minus 1x. If you will not write minus 1, that's fine. If you will just write minus x and then minus 4, this is your final polynomial. Question number 19. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So question number 19. 3-digit numbers starts from 100. 100 is the first 3-digit number. After 100 it goes 101, 102, 103 and so on. The last 3-digit number is 999. Out of all these numbers, we have to tell that how many of these are divisible by 3. So if we see 100, the first number is 100, but 100 is not divisible by 3. The simple rule to say whether a number is divisible by 3 or not is what? You add all the digits of that number. Like let's say if there is 100, I will plus all the digits of 100. It is 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 1. And 1 3 के table में नहीं आता, so 100 is also not going to come in the table of 3. So we will see which is the first number जिनमें जो digits है उनको plus करके 3 का multiple बनता है. So 101, 1 plus 0 plus 1 it gives 2. So 101 भी नहीं आने वाला 3 के table में. But you see 102, 3-digit number divisible by 3 are, the first number is 102, because you see 1 plus 0 plus 2 will give you 3 and it is a multiple of 3. So the first number, which is 3-digit and multiple of 3, is 102. And now the next will be, you just have to add 3 and 3 and 3 again and again. So after 102, the next number is 105. Then the next number is 108. And so on, it will continue. The last number will be 999. Because 9 plus 9 plus 9 gives you 27, which is a multiple of 3. So So the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 999. So here we can see that it forms an AP. It forms an AP, arithmetic progression. That means a series of number with the same difference. The same difference, we know that it is the difference of 3 every time the number is getting added up by 3. So it is an AP. So we have to find out how many terms are there. Number of terms we have to find. So in this AP, we know that A, that is the first term, is 102, first term. Then we know that what is the difference, D, we know that it is added every step by 3. Then we know that in this arithmetic progression, the last term is 999. The last term is denoted by an and we have to find out n. Okay. Now we will apply the formula to find out n, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Putting the values of an, 999, a is equals to 102 plus n we have to find out minus 1 and d is equals to 3. Therefore, we have to find out the value of n. So 999 plus 102 will come on this side. It will become minus 102. And what is its multiplication here with n minus 1 will come for division. So here will be left n minus 1. So 999 minus 102. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 897 divided by 3 is equals to n minus 1. So I will cancel this 897 by 3. So we get 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 8 2 carry. So the number became 29. 3 9s are 27. Again 2 is left. 2 comes here. It becomes 27 again. And 3 9s are 27. So here we left with 299 and minus 1 will come this side. So it will become plus 1. So n is equals to, we got 299 plus 1, it will give us 300. So in the last we will write the conclusion that there are 300 3-digit numbers divisible by 3. Question number 20, which is to evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So here we have to put the values of the given ratios to tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 and it is square. So 2 into 1 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 means sin 60 and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 the whole square minus it is sin 60 again. Sin 60 is again root 3 upon 2 the whole square. So here we get 2 into 1 square is 1 and here this plus root 3 upon 2 the whole square and then minus root 3 upon 2 the whole square. Same things both are but opposite sign. So both will get cancelled. Both will got cancelled. So what is left now? 2 into 1 square is 1. 2 1s are 2. That's it. This is your final answer. Then if we see the next question, which is an option 20th number, that is also cancelled question as per the new textbook. We will go for the 21st question. Question number 21 says that find the value of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is equals to 10 units. So these 2 points are given P and Q. Their coordinates are given and the distance between PQ is equals to 10 units is given. We have to find out the value of y. We will find out this by the use of distance formula. So the distance formula says distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equals to the distance given is 10 units. Okay, so here I applied the formula to find out the distance between PQ using distance formula. I will write the reason of this step that I have used here, distance formula. Then I have to put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2. So let me clear that these two are x1 and y1 and these two are the value of x2 and y2. So putting the corresponding values, we get under root x2 minus x1. x2 means 10 minus x1 means 2 the whole square plus y2 means y, the missing term, and minus y1 means minus 3 the whole square. Okay, y2 minus y1 is again minus 3 the whole square is equals to 10. So here we get 10 minus 2, 8 the whole square plus y minus minus will become plus 3 the whole square is equals to 10 is equals to 10. Therefore, here 8 square is 64 plus y plus b the whole square, we will apply a plus b the whole square formula. That is a square, that is first y square plus 2ab, that is 2 into y into 3 plus b square, b means 3 square is equals to 10. So I will remove the square root now, which I needed to remove earlier only, but let us remove it now, it's not too late. Remove the square root from here. So when we remove the square root from this side, we will do square on the other side. So what we will have here now is 64 plus y square plus 2 into y into 3 is 2 3s are 6y plus 3 square is 9 is equals to here we will do 10 square because we have removed the root from this side. So here we have two constants 64 and 9. 64 plus 9 gives us 73 plus y square plus 6y is equals to 10 square is 100. Writing it in the decreasing order of power, first we will have y square, then we will have 6y, then we will have plus 73, and then will 100 come this side, so it will become minus 100. And there what is left after 100 is coming this side is 0. So here we will get y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 gives us minus 27 is equals to 0. So here what we got? Here we got a quadratic polynomial. So we will factorize it as we have did earlier also in equation, and we will find out the values of y. So here in the same way, what is before y square, that is the coefficient of y square, nothing is there means 1 is there. Multiply it with the constant term minus 27. So 1 into minus 27 gives us minus 27, which is again negative. So we will find out two numbers out of which one will be positive, another will be negative. Now I have to think about two numbers जिनको multiply करके 27 आएगा और उन्हें solve करके middle term यानी कि 6 आना चाहिए. So 27 आता है 9 की टेबल में, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27, 9 minus 3 gives us 6, जो कि यहाँ पे प्लस 6 है, तो बड़े नंबर को प्लस देंगे, यानी कि प्लस 9 माइनस 3, 9 into minus 3 minus 27, 9 minus 3 plus 6. So here I will write y square, and ये plus 6y की जगह पर हम ये दो नंबर का यूज करेंगे, plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 as it is equals to 0. Now ये फर्स्ट टू पेयर और ये फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स में से कॉमन निकालेंगे, ये दोनों के पास y है, सो y कॉमन. सो ये दो y में से एक y बाहर गया तो एक y बचा, प्लस यहाँ से y निकल गया तो 9 बचा. अगेन सी हियर माइनस इज देयर, वी विल रिमूव माइनस कॉमन, एंड 3 और 27 दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं, सो 3 कॉमन. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर y, as we have removed minus common, so ये minus will become plus, and 3 के टेबल में 27 आता है, 3 9s are 27 is equals to 0. So as we can see ये ब्रैकेट में सेम थिंग है, so we will take it in one bracket, and what is left outside the bracket is y minus 3 in another bracket equals to 0. So what we will get here now, y plus 9 equals 0 or y minus 3 equals 0. Therefore y is equals to minus 9 or y is equals to plus 3. So here we got the two possible values of y. Y can be either minus 9 or it can be plus 3. Both are acceptable. Question number 22. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. So here we will draw a chimney. Let us say this is a chimney which is 28.5 meter away from a boy who is standing there, and the height of the boy is given 1.5 meter. Okay, 1.5. So this is the height of boy. Let's say this is AB, and let's say CD is the height of chimney. Obviously this will be perpendicular to the ground, and the boy is also standing, so it is also perpendicular to the ground. Okay, the boy is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eye, so this is a girl, from her eye is 45 degrees. So her eye is obviously here at A. From here the angle of elevation to the top of the chimney, is C, is 45 degrees. So first here we will make a horizontal which will be parallel to the ground, and obviously here it will be perpendicular, and from here the angle of elevation made, this angle of elevation is made is 45 degree. Okay, what is the height of chimney? We have to find out the height of chimney. The height of chimney, that means CD. We have to find out the height of CD. Now what we know is AB is equals to 1.5 meter, and this is, let's say, E. AE is parallel to BD, then ED also is 1.5 meter. Okay, ED is also 1.5 meter. That means we just need to find CE. If we got the value of CE, then CE plus ED will give the whole height of the chimney, that is CD. So first we will write here, let AB be the height of, the observer. AB is the height of the observer, and CD be the height of chimney. Okay. So here we will write that AD and ED both are equals to 1.5 meter. Also, if DB is 2.28.5, so DB and EA will be same. So EA is also 28.5 meter, because this is a kind of rectangle here. This is a rectangle. This is also 28.5 meter. So now in triangle CEA, this angle we are knowing 45. One of the angle we know here 45, except the 91. So this is 45 degree we know. And from this angle, what is given and what we have to find, that we have to see. So what is given in this triangle we know, according to this 45, this is adjacent. 45 के बाजू में है ये adjacent side, that we know. And we have to find out the opposite. We are in search for the value of CE. So opposite we have to find. So we will think about opposite and adjacent किसका formula, that is perpendicular or base किसका formula, किस में use होता है, that is the ratio tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. So we will use tan ratio here. Right here tan 45 degree is equals to opposite, that is CE, upon adjacent, that is EA, and then we will put the values of, we know tan 45 is equals to 1 is equals to CE. The value of CE we have to find out, and EA we know 28.5. The 28.5 will multiply with this 1, so we will get CE is equals to 28.5 meter. So we also got this CE as 28.5 meter. So now we can find out the whole height of the chimney. That is therefore height of chimney is equals to 28.5 plus 1.5, that will give us 30 meter. So this is the height of the chimney, 28.5 plus 1.5, that is 30 meter. Question number 23. From a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. So here is a circle, let's say, and from a point Q, the length of tangent is 24 centimeter. That means Q is outside the circle. So let's say here is Q, and from here we will make the tangent. Let's say, and this is given us 24 centimeter it is, and the distance Q from the center is 25 centimeter. From the center of the circle is here, and from here the distance of Q is 25 centimeter. And we have to find out the radius of the circle. So let us say we will name this point P, this is circle center O, and we have to find out the value of OP. Radius. Okay. So here, this is 90 degree. Here we will write in triangle OPQ, angle P is equals to 90 degree. Why? So there is one theorem which says that radius is perpendicular to tangent. So if this is the case, we can use Pythagoras theorem and we can find out the value of OP. So we will apply by Pythagoras theorem. I am solving here. It is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means the longest side, and the longest side here is OQ, which you can also find out the side which is opposite to 90 degree. Here is 90 degree. So first we will write OQ square is equals to the other two sides, OP square plus PQ square. Therefore OQ we know it is 25 square is equals to OP we have to find out plus PQ is 24 square. Now 25 square means 25 is 625. OP we have to find out plus 24 is 476. So if I take the 476 on this side, this will become 625 minus 476 is equals to OP square. And therefore OP square is equal to 625 minus 476 will give us 49. And therefore the square root of 49 will give us OP is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. Question number 23. In the given figure, if TP and TQ are two tangents, TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle with center O, so angle POQ is given us 110 degree. Then find angle PTQ. We have to find out the angle PTQ, this angle. So first of all, you will write angle P and angle Q both will be equals to 90 degree. Here it will form 90 degree. Here it will form 90 degree because one theorem of this chapter says that radius of circle is perpendicular to tangent to the circle. So now in POQT, this POQT, it is a quadrilateral, and in any kind of quadrilateral the sum of the four angles is always equals to 360 degree. So we will write here angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle T should be equals to 360 degree. This property is called as angle sum property. Putting the values of P 90, O 110 plus Q 90, angle T is equals to 360 degree. 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 110 will give us 270. Sorry, 290. 290 plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle T is equals to 360 degree. 290 will go that side, minus 290 degree. Therefore, angle T means angle PTQ is equals to 70 degree. So we got angle PTQ as 70 degree. Question number 24. The edge of a cube is 5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of cube. Edge of a cube. Edge of a cube. We will take it as x is equals to 5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area. So TSA of cube, the formula is 6x square for total surface area of cube, and that is 6 into 5 square. 6 into 5 5 is 25, and 25 into 6 will give us 150 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of the cube. The optional question number 24 says a solid shown in the figure is made up of a cylinder A with a hemispherical depression is made B. Then write the formula for finding the total surface area of solid. So the formula to find out the TSA of solid is, we will see what parts are there included in this particular solid. So we can see that this part is there. This part is called as curve part of the cylinder, that is CSA of cylinder. Then plus what else is there? This base is also there because it is a solid cylinder. So this area is called as, this is a circle. So area of circle plus a hemisphere depression is made. Hemisphere depression means CSA of hemisphere. So we will put all the values. First curved surface area cylinder is 2 pi r h plus area of circle is pi r square plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. This will give me 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Means here it is 1 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 1 plus 2, 3 pi r square. From these two terms we will remove common. So here we will remove, both is having pi, both are having r, single r. So we will remove pi and r common. So when I remove pi and r common, what is left here? Here is left 2 and h plus here is left 3. Pi is removed, r is removed, but it was square, so single r is there. So we got pi r into 2h plus 3r. This is the solution of this particular question. So question number 25 is sigma fi di is minus 26, a is equal to 30, sigma fi 30, and x bar we have to find out. So we will apply the formula to find out mean. X bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. This is the formula to find out mean by assumed mean method. Everything is given to you, just you have to put a value. X bar is equals to a plus a means 30 plus sigma fi di is minus 26. Sigma fi is 13. X bar is equal to 13 1 to 13, 13 to the 26, 30 plus minus minus 2 30 minus 22 will give us 28. So the mean to the question is 28. Question number 26. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. Alok drawn a marble random from the box. What is the probability that it will be? First we will write down the details about the number of marbles which is in the box. So this is question number 26. First there is blue. Number of blue marbles are 3. White are 2. Number of white marbles are 2. The number of the third color is red. Red marbles are 4. Okay, 3, 2 and 4. And that is total number of marbles in the box are 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Now Alok draw a marble from the box at random. What is the probability that it will be a white? First we will take let. Here the total number of marbles we will indicate by n. N is equals to 9. We will say let A be the event of white marble for white marble. Therefore, we will apply the formula R is equals to what then? A be the event of white marble. So हमें देखना white marbles कितने हैं बेटा? White marbles 2 है. तो R is equals to 2. So formula is P of A is equals to R upon N. White marbles 2 है. Total marbles 9 है. So we will get 2 upon 9. Then second is that it is not red. Let B be the event of not red marble. Now not red marble means which marbles then? If not red means red को नहीं count करना है. So बाकी बचे कौन से? Blue and white. That means blue and white marbles we have to consider. And therefore blue and white marbles कितने total मिला के 3 plus 2 5. So the R is 5. Again P of B is equals to the formula is R upon N. R means this time 5 and N means this, that is 9 only. So we will get 5 on that. So this is the answer. 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. As a result, section B is completed.